I'm Marc Doering and I work for Wirtgen America. I'm the Application Manager. And today I actually show you the placer right behind me. This is actually our big model. It's a WPS 102i. We actually also have like the little brother called WPS 62i. And it depends on paving width. We can give you the right machine for the right job. What stands out from our competitors on the WPS 102? The 62 is our wide belt. So it is 62 inches wide, where you can dump on a lot of concrete. Then we have also a boost feature, like the belt is already fast, but once the load of the concrete comes out, usually it's uncontrolled, and you can hit the boost button, you can move way more volume in front of the machine and no concrete spills out in the back. We use 2 pumps to raise and lower our belt. It goes very quick. We also have a soft touch, so nobody has to worry when he holds the button to crash the belt into the ground hard. Same also when you raise it, it will slowly and soft touch on the top. The belt can be easily mounted from the left side to the right side. Usually you have to twist a lot of hydraulic hoses. Not at this machine. We have 3 quick connects and 1 electrical connector, and this takes maybe an hour, and then the belt actually is swapped from one side to the other and ready to go. We have 2 belt scrapers directly mounted on the belt, and on the side it is easy to open some boxes, take a wrench, open those scrapers, clean them and be done. One of our latest, most exciting features is this remote control. So with this remote, we can raise and lower the strike off. So it actually helps our placer operator to not always have to look back, concentrate on unloading those trucks. So we hand this remote to a foreman, anybody around the job site, but also, honestly, it makes sense to give it to the paver operator because he sees directly how much concrete he needs and he can adjust it. So we have 8 inches of stroke where you can get more concrete in when you raise it or you lower it and it drops the level. In the back of the machine, we have some ramps that we mostly include with the machine, and you can use those to easily load and unload the machine. With this remote, you can make sure that this big machine drives smoothly and actually safe on the trailer. You have emergency stop as well on this remote, so you can stay on the ground, make sure everything sits right, and drive this machine up and down. Another feature of this is not just for the placer, we also have the paver in the back of this machine, so you can set up your whole machine with this remote. That means you can start, stop the engine, and also it is pretty safe because there is no operator, no delay in communication. So you can lay down on the ground, move each leg, each track, zero out your sensors, everything with that remote. We have supports under the machine that will help you to easily change the paving width. Same also, we use the same bolt size, so that makes it easy and quick to do the process. Our placer chassis frame, it doesn't matter if it's the smaller one, 62, or the bigger one, the 102, they are using both the paving chassis frames. And same also when you have an operator trained on one of your pavers, he can just switch on the placer because we use on all the machines pretty much the same control panels. So it's very easy to feel comfortable right away. Thanks for listening. For more information, contact your dealer or visit our website and we will gladly help you.